Hello everyone, my name is Seyra Yılmaz. I'm an assistant professor in industrial design at ISU. Today I will be talking about why you should study design. Designers are the makers of the built environment, and they change our lives, right? Well, the thing that they do is the interaction with human beings. They call themselves industrial designers, engineering designers, interface interaction designers, but the only thing that doesn't change among these domains is the human. And today, instead of talking about how designers change the world, I want to focus on how design can make a change in you, in your personality. So that's going to be the focus of the talk. Well, design starts with the needs and the motivations that people have, and understanding these desires, motivations behind the hidden needs. So what we first do is to talk to people, right? That's the first thing we would do. We talk to them, we listen to them, and then we observe them. And then studying design is, it motivates you to understand their, but I cannot remember every single word. Anyway, okay, let's jump to the decision-making part. Designers have to be the best in decision-making. They have so many alternatives. They go through a search of different options, and they see the things that other people don't see. They understand what other people can't really understand because they become real complex problem solvers. And to go through these steps, they have to go through a series of design processes. By studying design, you will understand the patterns of designers, the steps that a person has to take through the discovery phase of a problem, through interpretation, ideation, experimentation, evolution of a problem, and then finding a solution at the end. Studying design will make you a creative thinker. It will allow you to generate alternative solutions and looking at things from a different perspective. You think differently, you act differently, and then you live differently. Design is all about opportunities, right? So with every single design problem, you find a different set of opportunities, and then you follow them to challenge yourself. Another part of design is the ambiguity part. Design is ill-structured, ill-defined, meaning that 2 plus 2 doesn't necessarily equal to 5. And it's also about understanding the elements that are involved in the design and building blocks to solve those problems using the design elements. So by studying design, you will create that kind of a pattern in your personality. The other part of design is the fact that it's experimental. You try a lot of variations, and then you build a lot of prototypes to get to a level where you can test those. Another part of design is the fact that it makes you more pragmatic. So you learn the just ideas versus ideas that actually work. And designers are adaptable to change, meaning that they are flexible thinkers. They can adapt their thinking from one situation to another easily. And by studying design, you will actually get that in your personality, and you will be able to apply it to multiple things. And design requires conversation. It requires critique and teamwork. By studying design, you will have the chance to understand the strengths and weaknesses of your collaborators and find a way to get them involved in your project. And design also gives you a strong power on feeling optimistic about everything. So, it's all about making a change and shaping the world. And it can transform the way you interact with the world around you. And it makes you more aware of the world, because the whole point is to have the power to shape the world and create different things. And if you feel like all those skills are supposed to be part of you, then maybe you should think about studying design. Thank you.